Well, hello everybody. We're back with another treasure at JK18's. Today is his Ghetto Fabuloso lawnmower, and he's going to be demonstrating it for us right there.
It was? I didn't know. But it's here.
That's
Fabulous.
That's nice touch. Got the duct tape.
Yep. See, I got this. This was, so I had a mower. My dad said, I got a mower for you. I said, I don't need one, I have one. This one's, I got a mower for you. Okay, yeah. So I said, where did this come from? He said, the kids that live in the rental house across the street at the time the house was being rented. They were college kids. They had to move out. I guess the semester was over, whatever. And they said, we're selling this. You want it? 20 bucks. So he bought it for 20 bucks. And he said, here.
Wow.
It's the first thing he ever gave me. Came like this with the duct tape and the duct tape and the duct tape. That's factory.
Yeah, that's a nice feature.
Kind of barely does anything.
You did the engine brake delete, I see.
Yep. I think it's raining now too.
Yes, it is.
That's good.
Perfect.
Yep. That's wonderful. But we could try to start it anyway.
Okay.
Before it gets too rainy.
Got your model number and all that on there.
This was all written down by Lexmark 567 when we were trying to determine what air filter this took, and none of this information yielded really anything. And it was more a matter of going big fat dumb American consumer and searching Briggs & Stratton air filter.
Okay, yeah.
And then it came up, and I just, based on the pictures and the measurements, found the one that looked like it and had the correct measurements.
Yeah.
And that was that. Fuel? You need fuel? Yeah, it's kind of empty. Not too much in there.
I don't think that'll do it there.
No, I don't think so. Do that. Earls. Oh, wow.
A little low, isn't it?
Yeah, but before I mowed last, because I check it every single time, before I mowed last time, it was not low. So that's interesting. It was actually definitely at the full mark.
Wow.
So we can add a little bit of that. That'll be nice. And some fuel. And then we can fire it up.
Okay. Just about ready for the big moment here.
It's got gas, it's got Earl. That's good. So now it doesn't run right. It doesn't start nicely. There's a moth that just flew on it. That's great. That's great. It says 3 times, so 6 should be good. It doesn't have like a thing on it. I don't know. So there's 6. See if she's locked up. It's not. That's good. And it usually is a good 6 pulls. We'll see. And I like to slide it as I pull it because it gives me a little more chooch. So here we go. Oh!
A little idle.
Speed.
Nice. Quality.
A higher speed. And it has no smell, which doesn't really work well.
Yeah.
But it slides pretty bad. That's what
Perfect.
shuts it. Totally Ghetto Fabulous.
Good enough for JK18's place, right?
I guess so. That's all I got now.
So just a quick video on the Ghetto Fabulous lawnmower. Thank you for watching. But wait, there's more. Gonna sharpen on this blade a little bit. I mean, that should be fine. That's enough meat to work with.
You think it needs to be sharpened?
Look at the roundage. Look at the roundage. Fire those metal bits right into your mouth.
Okay. Never done this before. I don't know anything more about it. But I've used one of these a couple times. Get to break a lot of stuff with that, so let's just give it a shot. Oh, and by the way, make sure you read, understand, and follow all of the safety precautions that come with your power tools. And don't forget, the most important safety rule there is, safety squints.
Mm-hmm.
I'm doing safety third.
It's even better.
Yeah.
Well, that's one step above and beyond. And now for the other side of the blade. Tickle that a little bit and see what you think.
Okay, coming along. That's not too bad. Needs a little work yet. This needs work here. But we're getting the start of an edge.
Yeah. But wait, there's even more. JK18 informed me the self-propel just barely worked, and took the cover off, kind of put my peepers on it. I said there's got to be a way to tighten that cable a little bit.
So there was.
Then we'll come over here, and there's tighten, and then there's an arrow pointing down.
I often overlook obvious stuff.
And then come on the underside, there is a thumb wheel, and if you spin it toward the lawnmower, it tightens the cable.
I never even knew it was there. Never even knew.
So he's going to demonstrate it working now, and that means he's got to pull on it. Hopefully it's going to be an easy start.
Probably not. I mean, it was just running. So it should
Yeah.
theoretically fire up. It should be like a little hot restart. Should just go. Should is the operator.
Yeah, should, yeah. Perfect. Will it behave for the camera?
I love how it rolls the pulley backwards and forward backwards.
Yeah. Without
It's
the
supposed to do that.
without the belt engaged, because that's the wheels are spinning the gearbox.
Right, yeah. So we'll try one more time for a pop at the end.
Almost.
Yeah.
Could hear all 4 strokes though. Hold on, hold on.
But wait! There's much more! Not only will you get DD7, we'll also give you the Ginsu knife set absolutely free. And if you call now and promise to tell a friend about it, we'll even take $10 off the price, an unbelievable value of fucking free! Little Earl on the whirl. Here you go, fan twerps.
Now watch that spin down.
On a Ghetto Fabulous lawnmower.
That is one ghetto balanced wheel.
It sure is. Look at that thing go. I think the wind blowing is actually turning it.
Got your own windmill now.
Yeah, really. It's still going.
How long will it go?
Totally fake. The engine's running.
That's the self-propelled. Fake and gay. Get in there for a close shot. I have now selected low on the fan speed. Now let's let it spin down.
Wheels on the lawnmower go round and round, round and round, round and round. Wheels on the lawnmower go round and round, all around the yard.
A little out of balance. Not bad. So, now, thank you for watching.